circumstances, you are a citizen of the world.
Café Cubano.
Hello there, it's me, the retired one, and today this is a video that I just want to make to tell you that you, no matter your circumstances, you are a citizen of the world. I get it that there's that big patriotism of like, I was born in this place, therefore I am this. Because my paper said so, because my mom and my dad are from here, because my ancestors, because of me, etc., etc., etc. For the longest time, I had a lot of identity issues because personally, my family is originally from the Dominican Republic. I was born and raised in Puerto Rico, and that makes me an American citizen. So technically I have all that heritage, and if we go through like Puerto Rico and Dominican Republic's history and even the United States history, there's even more convoluted ways that I am a citizen of other places like Spain and certain parts of Africa, etc., England, etc., etc. Like there's a lot that makes this human form that we're all in right now. If you're watching me right now and you understand me, you're human. You're not a dog or a cat or nothing like that. But one thing you must understand is that this big sphere, this big round world that we live in and we're floating through space, we are a citizen of it. And therefore, as a citizen of the world, if your desire is to go and see it, go and explore it, go watch it, you should be allowed to. You should be able to. Even if it takes you a while to like rack up some money in order to go there. Because believe me, it wasn't always easy for me to travel. Even up to this day, there's still certain responsibilities that I have that do not allow me to travel at least as frequent as I would really like. Because personally, if my biggest goal that I'm trying to achieve, and I'm slowly but surely getting there, is to be a full-time digital nomad. Just to be literally traveling all the time and basically living and working and doing what I want in whatever part of the world that I would like to do so. And just like I have that right and that passion and that energy and desire to pursue that dream, you should have it too. It doesn't mean that you have to share the same dream that I have. Maybe your passion or your dream is just to go to a neighbor country, or maybe to go to the other side of the globe, or whatever it is. But like, it's your birthright to literally explore and see as much as you can. Because at the end of the day, man, we all know this. We are all gonna pass away. Who we are physically is not going to be no more. So make the most out of it. Make the most time out of it. Go experience life. Go really enjoy a good time. If you want to go to a carnival, if you want to go to a concert, if you just want to go sightseeing and go explore museums and arts, or just learn about different languages and cultures and people, it's your birthright to do so. If you want to go and eat different foods because you're tired of eating the same stuff every day or every other week or whatever it is, you should have that desire, that birthright, that energy, and that choice, really, to go do so. So my biggest thing that I want to implore you right now, because maybe you're watching a bunch of videos here, hopefully here in the Retired Comedian. Subscribe if you haven't. But if you're watching a bunch of videos on YouTube and this is the first and maybe only video that you watch from me, this is something that I want to really challenge you about right now. Is there a particular place or places that you would like to visit, let's say within a year from now? Write them down. Write down those places, and I implore you, watch a lot of content from that place. I know that maybe some people don't want to watch as much content because they want to see it for themselves, but that's something that honestly has helped me more than ever. I remember when for the longest time I was watching a bunch of Colombia videos, right? And all of a sudden, like a turn of a switch, I was there, like in Colombia, walking the same streets that I was watching in videos. I was like, oh my God, this is what I looked in a YouTube video. And it was really mind blowing when that happens, when you can like get yourself into the screen. It's really, really mind boggling. So I really challenge you to write down a place or places that you would like to visit and just submerge yourself in that content. Watch it on YouTube, or go look for videos. Go look at pictures on Google search. Go search for those keywords or even podcasts that speak that particular language and start getting familiar with it. The more you submerge yourself with those places, with that culture, with that content of the place or places that you would like to go, the easier it would get your subconscious working to work ways to get you there faster but surely. Study the subconscious. The subconscious is very powerful, and it's a very, very powerful tool that we have in our brains, and we don't use it as much as we should. And right now, for example, I've been watching a lot of content from Brazil and like Eastern Asia and like a lot of different places like that, because those are the places I would love to travel to next. And someday, surely, you will see content here from those places, from Brazil and East Asia and whichever other place that I feel like I want to go to. But I just made this quick video just to say you are a citizen of the world. It doesn't matter where you're from. You're my brother, you're my sister, and you are able to achieve and go anywhere you want, even if you don't have the necessarily monetary resources to do so, or if you think they're not going to accept someone from your particular area in another place. Believe me, there's people that have done it even the hard way. So however that is, write down, implore you to write down where you want to go and just submerge yourself with that content. And someday you're going to wake up and you're going to be like, wow, I remember that one time I wrote it down and then I watched so much content and all of a sudden I'm here and it's happening. And that's what I want from all of you. I want you guys to accomplish so much. I want you guys to explore and see and experience as much culture and life and just whatever glows you up. Like, that's the thing that I'm looking for the most for my life, and that's what I hope for other people to have in their life as well. Thank you so much for tuning in to this episode of The Retired Comedian. I'll catch you on the next one with brand new adventures just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, share with a friend or two that might need it more than you do, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.